is only two words: never again. Never again. And today, we can ask ourselves, is never again is a phrase with a question mark? Or it should be a phrase with an acclamation sign? And unfortunately, we all know that after what is going on around the world, and I'm not talking just only what's going on with our people, with the Jewish people. You can see in Ukraine, you can see all around the world, in Africa, excuse me, I mean, how many people were persecuted, how many people are living today, till today, under the threat of being decimated, of being killed. Is really never again a reality? And if it's not, why it's not? Because few people made for never again a phrase with an acclamation sign. One of my colleagues had a meeting with a lot of Jewish students of the University of Columbia University from college. And then he asked them, when those riots were there inside of college, and you couldn't really reach your classroom without being insulted, even threatened physically, did one professor, at least one, came where you were and accompanied you just to stand by you, trying to defend you? Anybody from the administration of the college, from the university? And the answer was unanimous: nobody. Nobody. So I think that the legacy of Anne Frank, as you say, very nice, she's still alive because her words can still be read, and we read it, we can hear her anguish, but also her optimism. Just look at the phrase there, right? Her optimism. She died believing that people still are good, that there is good in this world.
It's with deep respect and reflection we gather here today to commemorate the life and legacy of Anne Frank, a young girl whose diary became a timeless voice against hatred and powerful symbol of resilience and hope. This statue, unveiled in 2011, stands as a meaningful part of our cultural vision, one that reaches beyond our shores and connects Aruba, the Kingdom of the Netherlands, and the wider world. Together with the monument of March 18, close by, and the statue of Queen Wilhelmina, this statue forms a symbolic triangle, one that reflects our national identity, historical ties, and shared values. A triangle of remembrance, unity, and moral responsibility.